Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: regenerative braking system, power brakes, Inside you'll find CarNet satellite communications, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, first aid kit, cargo area light. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.